Folks, it's Simon here with your Tao Daily update for market close Friday, the 18th of July, 2025. Sorry, Tao Daily's been on a bit of a hiatus. I've been traveling the last month, but back in the seat now. And Friday's market action, well, there was very little action at the index level. S&P finished down 0.01% at 62.96. So basically pinned at 6,300, which is where we had a big gamma strike. Now, with options expiration out of the way, we could see some more movement, some more volatility in the market over the next week or two. Now, while the SPY chart is bullish, unambiguously so, we've got earnings season starting to heat up. We've got CPI dropping tomorrow morning. We've got tariff deadlines looming again on the 1st of August, and we've certainly got some more bearish seasonality starting to come into view now that we get into kind of late July. So I'm not ringing any alarm bells just yet, but just mindful that there could be more for the market to chew on over the next couple of weeks without the tailwind of bullish seasonality. Here's a longer-term chart of the Nasdaq, or the triple Q ETF that tracks the Nasdaq, that will appeal to some of the doomers out there among you. What we're looking at here is a measured move to the upside. What do I mean by that? Let me explain. This move from the bear market low in 2022 to where we are right now is exactly double the move to the downside that preceded it. That was the bear market of 2022, basically. Now, measured moves like this can often act as levels of support and resistance. So I'm going to be leaving this green line, this 2 times measured move, on my charts just to see if the market does respect this as a level of resistance. Elsewhere, looking at the dollar may be basing here. We've got the 80 EMA is crossed up above the 21 EMA. I know that happened back here, didn't really result in much, but it certainly lost some downside momentum. Now, I don't necessarily think that a rising dollar in itself is going to put the brakes on equities, because the correlation between the dollar and the S&P 500 this year has been very low. But it could be a headwind for things like gold and silver, which have been on a tear, possibly even Bitcoin. Bitcoin's getting pretty noisy here. I mean, it's a bullish chart, but when my mother starts asking me about a symbol, as she did on Bitcoin over the weekend, I start getting nervous. That's often a sign that it's on everybody's radar, and maybe we're about to run out of buyers, at least in the short term. That's what I got for you today, folks. I hope it helps. I wish you good trading, and I'll catch you next time.